So first of all, we need to add this VHS effect in our Roblox Studio. So you get this effect link in my video description box. Just come to this link and click on Get Model. And here you can see the item has been added to my inventory. Now all you have to need, go to your Roblox Studio, open your experience, and now we have to activate the toolbox. In toolbox, select inventory. Under inventory, here you will find VHS effect. Just double click on that, click on OK, and we can see the VHS effect successfully added to my game. Now all you have to need, drag this VHS effect and put it inside of starter GUI section. And now I'm just playing my experience. And here, as you can see, the VHS effect has been successfully added to my game. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.